Hey everybody, welcome to the workshop. On today's episode, I have a leaky toilet. Today's toilet is by Kohler. So this is different from my last toilet video. Last time I took out the entire flush valve and replaced it. This time it doesn't need that, but we do need a new seal. The old seal is disintegrating. So it is leaking, it's just running all the time. So that's what we're going to be working on today on Adam's Workshop. All right. Now, first things first, we've got our replacement seal here, and here is the number for it, GP105929. This is the part we're going to be replacing today. So first things first, we've got our part. Second, we're going to turn off our valve, and then we're going to flush the toilet. Now I've already done these two things to save time already. Next step, taking off the lid and setting that to the side. Now, I don't know how well you can see it, but that red mess down there is the seal. That is what we got to replace. So first thing we're going to do is take off our fill tube. Now, this piece right here actually twists off, and then it comes up as one piece. So next thing we do is we remember which chain link it is that this is connected to. So we are on the fourth one in, and we disconnect that. So now the whole thing comes off, and you can see the seal is pretty funky nasty. So now we got to just take the seal off, and we got to clean off all around it so that way it's nice and clean to put the new one on. Now, the seal fits inside this little groove in here. So now we just insert it on this side and just work our way around. Now, our seal is installed. Now we just have to reinstall it. This right here, as you can see, looks kind of like a wing. On the inside, it's the same thing. So now we just line this up and twist. Well, it might be easier if I reconnect the chain first. All right. Reinstall the fill tube. Now we can turn the water back on and make sure she works. All right, everybody. Well, we've got another job complete. The thing is sealing off well, and it's working awesome. I did go back in there and readjust the chain just a little bit because trying to get it all done with the camera in the way was a little tricky. So I did go back and readjust that, and I also adjusted the height on the fill valve as well, so that way it won't fill up quite so much water. But I did get those things adjusted, and it is working awesome. I hope you see that things like this are really easy to do. With just a little bit of knowledge, you can do them too. So, if you got value out of this, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all again next time in the workshop.